Ready to unleash your inner artist and bring anime to life in Adobe Animate? Alright, let's dive in. First, open Adobe Animate and create a new document using your desired dimensions. We're starting from scratch. Now, select the brush tool from the toolbar. This will be our main drawing tool for outlining the character. Using the brush tool, begin sketching a simple anime character. Start with basic shapes: a circle for the head, lines for the body. Don't worry about perfection at this stage. Keep it loose and expressive. Focus on the overall structure and pose. Remember the basic proportions of an anime character. We need a large head and big eyes. Once you're happy with the basic form, it's time to refine the drawing. Zoom in and add details such as anime style eyes, hair, and any clothing details. You can adjust the brush size to create cleaner lines. Experiment with different line weights to create depth and interest. Thicker lines for outlines and thinner lines for details, that kind of thing. Next up, coloring. Select the paint bucket tool. Choose your basic color palette. In the color panel, click on the different sections of your drawing to fill them in with the chosen colors. Keep it organized and efficient by keeping everything on layers. Now, let's add shadows and highlights. Choose the brush tool again, but this time, select a slightly darker tone of the color from the color panel. Use this to add shadows under the hair, along necklines, and anywhere the light wouldn't directly hit. For highlights, work with a lighter tone, maybe even a touch of white, and place them on top. And there you have it. You've created your first anime illustration in Adobe Animate. Keep practicing these steps, and you'll be drawing anime characters like your favorite artists in no time. Don't forget to experiment with different colors and poses to find your own unique style. Thanks for watching.